do you think so far? From this morning until now, look at that. And I finally named all of the trees around this annual garden area. You're gonna have to come in here and clean them all up around the trunks of all these trees. But here we got a common pear tree, or just pear tree, whatever. Red currant. This one's an apple tree, and see how they're all trained to go sideways and straight up. And there's another, it's a honeyberry. And we come across here, we have another honeyberry, another apple tree. And you'll notice all the trees around the edge, the tall ones, are all trained to branch out sideways. Here we got another currant, red currant. Here on the end, I think this one was a cherry tree. Let's see, yeah, cherry. And then we got another pear tree. And this one in the middle is a plum tree. Then we got another pear. Look how full these are already. And we're only into May. When I was out here 2 weeks ago, there wasn't any leaves on any of these trees. So that shows you how good the soil is around here. Got a cherry tree on the end here. A red currant. Another apple tree. Honeyberry on the end, growing around in the front there. And then as we come over here, another honeyberry. It's honeyberry, Juneberry, one of them. And then we got apple. And this is a huge red currant bush. And I'm gonna have to trim it back and make a bunch of new little baby trees out of it. What do you think? And then we got some stinging nettle here. Probably gonna dig this up and move it around in different spots. And yeah, and then there's another pear. So everything matches on both sides of this. Directly across from each other, you have your partner. Then we got a cherry tree here. Another cherry tree back there. Oh no, that's a plum tree. Cherry tree. And then all the new peach trees and nectarine trees I've planted. They're starting to get some leaves on them. And look what happened to all my blueberries. All the dandelions came up around them. So anyone wants dandelions, I got free dandelions all day long here. But now I'm gonna come here and get some of my son and his friends to come and get the weed whackers and come and clean all the base of these trees up and give them a good 3-4 inches of mulch, and keep all these extras that don't belong under these trees. And maybe we'll plant some other stuff underneath these trees and make it so the other stuff doesn't come back. But anyway, that's the progress we're making here. I will make another video soon. But this is not your typical food forest design. You know, this property happens to be 15 acres, I believe. So this is not your typical installation. But if you want to just turn your yard into an edible landscape where you have food growing year after year after year, like all of these trees that are here, you see, look, I'm gonna take you, actually, I'm not done yet. I'm gonna take you to where all the cherry trees and apple trees are, and you can see how great these things are growing. I'm gonna turn you around. I mean, there is so many, you know, there's a saying that my buddy Jim Gale said, and he might use a different fruit every now and then to get his point across. Oh, look, we got some little gopher running. Oh, he popped up. He's just checking me out. But anyway, you can count the number of seeds in an apple, but you cannot count the number of apples in a seed. Now imagine if you had a good sized backyard, good sized front yard. Look how many trees are here. I'm going to turn you around. Starting with this one here, we have, I think, 15 apple trees here. Sorry, I gotta take a call from Menards. Hold on.